Now that you've created your course in Schoology, I need to show you how you get students in the course. They don't automatically show up like they do when they use the function to just join directly through EdPuzzle. You will need the students to actually watch a video before they will be populated into the course. So I'm going to show you how to add an EdPuzzle that gets the ball rolling. So I've already got it here, but I'm going to show you what I did anyway. So this is my beginning of year activities folder. I'm going to hit the little plus sign here. Now there are two ways to add materials. You can go here and do it this way, but that's going to push it all the way to the bottom of your page down here. If you would like it to be in between some other things, then you just hover over the line until this little green plus sign shows up and you hit plus, and then you can add it that way. And that goes for anything, not just EdPuzzle. Once I'm in here, I'm going to start typing the title of the video that I want. So here's my Welcome to EdPuzzle video. What's nice about this is as the students watch it, let me go back. As the students watch it, this video that I've chosen kind of gives them some tips, which is why I've chosen to use it. If I skip to the next question, you will see that it's got this. It's a multiple choice question about what's happening in the video, but then it's telling them you can always press rewatch if you feel the need to go back and rewatch the last section of the video. So if they didn't know that the question was, how many times did Nemo jump on Marlin? They weren't paying close attention. They can rewatch and count the number of times. And then that kind of holds true for the rest of the questions that are on here. So why was Nemo excited? So this is an example in getting them to practice an open-ended question. I'm just going to skip through. And then we've got another multiple choice question. And you as the teacher can preview all the questions before you assign it to make sure that you're satisfied with what it is. Then you would hit next and assign it to your class. And then once it shows up, don't forget you want to go over here, click edit, hit enable grading, and then it's up to you how many points you want to give to it. So if this is just an introductory get to know EdPuzzle, maybe I'll give students 5 participation points just for completing it, and I won't really take the grade that they get. Then I would hit save changes, and it will be there for the students. So when the students come into Schoology, they would click welcome to EdPuzzle. And then for me, because my students have already done an EdPuzzle, their names are going to populate. If you didn't click enable editing, it won't show up here. So what you're going to want to do is yours will be blank until students press play. So after they watch the video, I'll go back to the other one. So this is the one I did at the beginning of the year. You'll see those same student names, and they are in alphabetical order. And then you can also see the score that they got on it. The only trouble for me with this is that since they are in alphabetical order and I have linked my courses, all 95 of my students are listed on the same page. And there's no real workaround if you link your courses. If you don't link your courses, then each student list will only have the students that are in that period or that course. So hopefully this was helpful to you, and I look forward to seeing your ideas for what type of welcome video you can make and put in EdPuzzle.